Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to join a group on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to join a group on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to join a group on Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to join a group on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Joining a group on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options in left corner. Click on button having three dots. Now click on groups on the top right corner. From here, you can search a group from top. Open group. Now click on join group. This is how you can join a group on Roblox. There you go. If you wanted to know how to join a group on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.